Oh boy, this is not looking good. We're gonna have to redo this whole section here. Yeah, the bigwigs upstairs aren't gonna be happy with this one. And for once, it's not me that made the mistake. It's on your ass. Yeah, so next time you might wanna refer to the blueprints, do your studying maybe. You know what? I don't even know if this line of work is your thing. Yeah, I said it. I'm sorry, but look, stresses are running high. You know what I'm saying? You got a light? I can't deal with this. I'm going home. I'm suddenly not feeling well. Good job. Good job. Ooh, where's my hammer? Ooh, ding, ding, ding. Ooh. Piss on it.